Welcome to Auto. In this video, I will show you Steam users how to fix game not released error in Battlefield 6.
Fix 1. Uncheck problem DLC Step 1. Open Steam Library. Right-click Battlefield 6. Properties. DLC Step 2. Untick Multiplayer Marker or similar DLC Step 3. Restart Steam and try to launch Fix 2. Sign out and sign in Step 1. Log out of Steam completely Step 2. Restart your PC Step 3. Log back in, launch Battlefield 6 Fix 3. Delete Steam Manifest file Step 1. Go to Steam. Steam's folder Step 2. Delete App Manifest. 2,807,960. ACF Step 3. Open Steam. It will recheck game files. Launch the game. Fix 4. Verify integrity of game files. Step 1. Steam Library. Right-click Battlefield 6 Properties. Local files. Step 2. Click Verify integrity of game files. Step 3. Wait for verification. Launch the game. Fix 5. Restart everything. Step 1. Exit Steam completely. Step 2. Restart your PC and router. Step 3. Launch Steam. Try running Battlefield 6 again. Fix 6. Wait for EA Steam patch. Step 1. Keep Steam and EA app updated. Step 2. Wait a few hours. This issue can be server-side. Step 3. Try again later. Many users reported it auto-fixed.